Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Tapo C212 with the Tapo C210, like what are the main differences between these two. So the video resolution both die, and then important thing about C212 that you're gonna have more frame rate. The default is 15 FPS, so this is like important thing. And here you can see the specifications that you have frame rate only 15 FPS for C210. Then C210 got better, but not much. Then also you're gonna have better for C212, you're gonna have field of view, and again it's not much, but it can make a difference. Then also you're gonna have sound alarm for the TPC 212, so that's huge. Serial volume also better, and image enhancement is better. And then you're gonna have Ethernet port for C212 and better storage temperature and operating humidity. So in this regard, in many ways, it's just better the Tapo C212. So thank you very much, and probably the FPS can make a lot. So goodbye.